5th of July 2023. This is the third day of the sit at home for release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, we are on it again today. This is Oru West. Oru West local government. There is no school in Oru West that opened. There is no market in Oru West. Ekemgbidi, Achi, Orienempi, Omuma, Ibi, and the other areas. There is no school, no market that opened.
Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my wonderful family, today I have a quick one to share with us. There is fire on the mountain. Run, run, run. Hey, you guys know that today marked the third day of the sit at home declared by the prime minister. And a lot of things has been going on since then, but come to think of it, if you are sincere to yourself, if you are truthful to yourself, what will you say? What will you do? What will you encourage? What do you expect? This is a question that we have been asking. See, Muhammadu Buhari stayed in that office for good 8 years, and he kept Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for a year plus, almost 2 years before he left. In fact, it's 2 years back. And a lot of people has raised their voice to ask for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They'll be telling them, oh, please release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for peace to reign. But to no avail. If you watch exactly what is going on, you will agree with me that the leaders in certain part of Nigeria, they don't really care. We only talk in a distance, but we don't really move action. We all know that majority of what is happening in certain part of Nigeria is as a result of the capture of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or it's as a result of the arrest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Time without number, they have made the speech. Time without number, the IPOB has come out to say, release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and we will talk about peace. I can still recover or recall a lot of time that the PM has said, come, let's negotiate, come, let's rub minds together, release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You will not experience anything like sit at home. Things will be better off than to the way they are right now. He has made such pronouncement. He has made such vow. He has made such promise. This is a promise between two people. He have said, oh, if they release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today, right now, there will be nothing like sit at home. There will be nothing like a lot of things that is happening right now, that everything is going to stop. Even Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on his own have sent this message right from the DSS office, saying that he wants BIAFRALAND to be calm. He wants things to be done accordingly. That is when you know men of peace. That is when you know men that have the interests of their people at heart. Not everybody that say, oh, let's burn it down or let's get it down, really need the progress or the success of people. Now, look at what Asari Dokubo came out to say openly. Nobody talked to him. Nobody go after him. In fact, they even congratulated him. They were shaking hands with him that, thank you so much for putting this fear, for putting this threat, to say this to the people. They are so scared of you. Oh my goodness. And believe me, he keep doing it often. He keep doing it more and more. And someone that said, what I need is freedom for my people. They hold him captive. Right now, the video you are watching, according to report, that they are the boys of Ifeanyi Uba. Everybody want to belong. Everybody want to do things that people will see and say, oh, thank you for doing this. Everybody want to publish themselves. Everybody want to come out tall. Nobody want to take instruction. Nobody want to take correction. Everybody want to want to be. Ifeanyi Uba send his boys out. Do you know the tension and the threat that these people they have, seeing all these type of cars patrolling? You are saying that you are stopping sit at home. Still, these people they were sitting at home. They did not bother to come out. Even with this your parade, you are parading everywhere. Do you really think that one person will come out and say, okay, let me go to the marketplaces, since he sit at home, let me just throw there? Have you heard it before? They are so precious. They precious their life very well. These people, they are sitting at home. The people of Anambra State, they are sitting at home. A lot of people say, oh, the sit at home did not work. For what we see on social media, the sit at home worked. A lot of people obey the sit at home. And we are still advising Ifeanyi Uba, make things easy, don't make things hard. Bringing all these boys to come and patrol, you have boys, you have this, does it really worth it? This is all show off. Does it really want it? I want them to know that I exist. I want them to know that I can do things. I want them to know that through me things will happen. I want them to, this is just exactly what is happening right now. Ifeanyi Uba came into the picture. He wants to seek attention. That is just the basic truth. He wants to seek attention because a lot of people has done what he is doing right now, and they quit, they stop because they are still seeing what they are doing to the Igbos. The treatment they are treating Igbos is so wrong. I'm so surprised that Ifeanyi Uba can go this length to do this, saying that, oh, he is stopping the sit at home, he's going to stop everything about the sit at home and all that. But you could not confront Lagos State when Igbos market got burnt. You didn't say anything. You did not even bother to talk to people about what they are passing through and see reasons how you can stop what is happening. The humiliation is too much. How you can stop it, but you did not. Rather, you are fighting who is not fighting you. You are fighting sit at home when there are more fights for you to fight in Nigeria, but you have not fought any. So my correlistic people, I said let me bring this update. Look at the boys that Ifeanyi Uba brought. Hey, wonders shall never end. These are tensions. You can even see that they are even patrolling the road of Anambra State alone, without vehicles, without people and all that. What type of life is this? Hypocrites everywhere. So my wonderful family, I just wanted to share this video. Like and subscribe if you haven't. I still remain Progress the Analyst, bringing it back to back. See you end. Bye bye.